Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to view your flight reservation in the Southwest Airlines application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the three lines at the top of the page on the left, and then click on the flight button, and then click on the manage reservations button. And to view your flight reservations, you have to first give your confirmation number, your first and your last name, and then click on the retrieve reservation button, and it will be there. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.